So many chicken now. That's not ours. I know that it's not ours because it's black colors. Here is I's chicken here. They're all astray because they only feed once a day. And here in my fruit area, look at this, guys. These black chickens. It's not ours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And one brown. Look at this. I'm gonna be burning this later on. There's one brown and 5 black. Look at this. I don't know who owns these chickens. Because ours here, this I's chicken and our chicken, Rhode Island, and this snowflake. Hello YouTube land! It's herding time once again for me and for William. William just joined me here at the back, and he told me just rest up inside. It's almost 4 o'clock, and he's gonna stay with the goats, like in the heat, under the heat of the sun, because I won't do it. I mean, not in the very bright areas. I'll get headaches for sure, even if I have water, coffee, food here, everything. But I can't stay under the heat of the sun for a long time. So I'm just here from afar, and I'll just go in if I have to. I just go if I have to. As long as I know where they are and I can see them all, that's kind of okay-ish for me. I want to show you my lemoncitos, guys. We just planted it like 3 weeks ago, and now it's fruiting. This is a grafted lemoncito, calamansi, and that's what I like about it. Grafted, it fruits so early compared to those that grow from seeds. So this one is starting to flower, and also this one. Look at this one, guys. It's starting. It's gonna bloom soon. While the other two on both ends, that one there, no, and also this one here, no. So here's the chickens again. These are definitely not ours. It's 5 o'clock and the sun is still up. Ooh. Yeah, and should be gate session time, but since no wind whatsoever, like it's so hot here, no leaves are moving whatsoever, in all sides of the farm is the same, so it's fire time. I will start from the fruit area and then go up here. If it's William, he would have like diesel in his hand, like diesel and petrol. How you call? He would have gas. Me, I just need a piece of paper and a torch, blow torch. So So that's the start. I'll get all the dead leaves later on because right now it's so hot to go near. So back there it's making noise, explosions, something like that. And here, rubbish bin, this coconut husk and leaves. It's kind of hard to bring to create a big fire and quick fire because we know that it's wet under I mean, you know, in between from all those rains we had the past few days. Even here, and especially here, it's not getting the sun, so it doesn't dry easy, and even the ground is still wet, so it's not as big as the fire is not as big as I want it to be. But if it's still kind of be sunny tomorrow, then I'll be able to collect the dead leaves in the ground. There's still a lot of dead leaves in the ground, and I can only do few things in a day because I have other chores. So yeah, at least I have cleaned something. Like here, there's a lot of dead leaves here, but it's just too big of a fire. I cannot get any closer to throw other dead leaves from the ground. And the thing is, I cannot even like gather it at one time and then make fire because it's gonna be so big. If wind comes, that will be kind of a diluvio, uncontrollable. So I don't want to do that. I don't want to endanger the farm, myself, or anything in the farm. So I'll just make it one day at a time. I mean, you know, little things, little effort at a time, because there's tomorrow. Why do today everything when you can still do something tomorrow? Look at this, guys. This is what I'm talking about. Look at the leaves. There's so much to collect. I'll be hiring the old guy, Papa's helper, to clean this up. Maybe tomorrow, if I see him in the store today, then I can tell him, so he will have some monies for himself. Just collect the dead leaves and put in this pit here. Sorry, the mosquito in my arm. And it's so much to collect. I'm sure I cannot do it right now, the balance. So I'll just like do whatever I can, the closer falling leaves in the pit. There's so much. Like yesterday, I was able to collect from here. That's why it's clear here. And then today from here earlier there was 5 branches of coconut leaves, and I haven't done that area from here in the drain to that area in that other side of the farm. So for now, I'll just collect this. This is the leaves I dragged earlier, but it's just too hot to get close, so haven't done. There's so many flies, guys. Stay tuned. No, Fredo is making fire. So much to clean, so much to burn. That's all for today. Like, I don't just make fire for the sake of the rubbish that's piled up. I make fire, like I burn our rubbish here as part of how you call, part of our maintenance of the farm, because we don't want snakes here all the time. And I always pick a day that's like today, and there's no wind. I just don't make whenever I want, you know. I have to consider things like the weather. That's number one. And second is if I have like the availability of, or like the dead leaves, because like usually that we're getting so much dried leaves here when it's close to harvest time, and usually that's every after 3 months, or like 80 days, 90 days, yeah, like that. So even sometimes, like before, even if it's already past the harvest time, but because of the weather we cannot dry the beans in the pits. Even the dead leaves are wet from the rain, so like, you know, things like that I have to consider before this activity, any of my burning activity. Yeah, and sometimes we also do little how you call, burn a little if it's like, you know, the rubbish is really piled up, but just a little that we can control. Like right now we have so much control because everything is still wet-ish and there's no wind. Like, oh, hear that, guys? From the back, yeah, still it's the dead bamboo, because it's the base of the bamboo, so it's exploding. Yeah, I'm happy about that. I don't want those bamboos to grow back, because it's so hard when, like, I have, I think 90 trees there, 90 coconut trees, not including the, or I think 80, yeah, there are more or less 90, and that's not including that's just the coconut trees, not counting the durian trees, the rambutan, the avocado, the mango tree, the dalandan tree, banana tree. So like there's a lot more there, and it's has to be, I have to allow the sun in that area for those fruit trees to be productive. So yeah, I should kill that bamboo. I should like totally eliminate that bamboo. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching today's vlog. This has been One Pinoy Chick Chats saying bye. Past 6 o'clock, Sasha. Come on. So William has added lights, and we still have 3 lights coming. Oh, so bright here. Sash, come on. She always asks to be escorted before she goes home. So lights are everywhere now in the farm. Look at this. And at the back, Sasha. She would always like ask me to like walk as slow as her. Come on. I'm gonna show you what William has done today. Look at these lights here, guys. There's lights everywhere. This lights up the whole farm. The 3, I think it was delivered today in my other house. And yeah, that's the one they made today. Oh, why is not working? Han, it's not working. After 6 o'clock, that's fire is still burning. In the middle is not. There's too much coconut husk that's wet. Same as here. This in the middle. This too much coconut husk, and that's the rubbish pit. So at the back, there's still fire out there. More burning sessions.